What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be sharing with you my decluttered hair products, or products that I'm going to be decluttering from my stash. So if you remember, I've already done a declutter of some fragrances as well as body mist. Now this is going to be some hair products that I'm decluttering. I just felt like looking at these, I know I'm not going to use them, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of them. I'm going to add them to Mercari. There will be hair products probably that when I do giveaways and things like that, that I think that you guys would really enjoy, as far as some other things too. So I don't want you to think that, okay, now I'm selling everything, I won't do any giveaways. I'm still going to do giveaways and stuff like that. But right now, I just want to get these out of here. I want to put them there. I'm giving you guys first dibs at these before the public, hopefully. So that's why I'm doing the video, so you'll know what products are going to be out there. And if you're even interested, and if you are, then you'll know to get right over there and get them before someone else gets them, okay? So at the time that you're seeing this video, they're probably already on the site while you're watching this video. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll release them on the site the day that I release the video. So hopefully you guys can get them before somebody else does, okay? If that changes, I'll let you know in the description box or something, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first products that I am going to be decluttering from my stash are the Maui Moisture Lightweight Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. It looks like this. I think I tried to declutter this before, and for some reason I was like, okay, let me go ahead and just try to use it. And then guess what? I still haven't used it. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these again. I will put them on Mercari. Hopefully they sell. If not, oh well. But yeah, these will be out here. It's the shampoo and the conditioner. This is a lightweight and hydration. It has hibiscus water in it. It's supposed to be for all hair types, and they are silicone free and sulfate free. So yeah, if you're interested in these, they'll be on Mercari. And again, guys, remember, I'm going to be selling these for a fraction of what you can get them somewhere else. So I'm not trying to break the bank, but I do want to get them out of here and hopefully make a little bit of money so I can put it back into my channel. Another set that I'm going to be decluttering from my stash is this ginger herbal smoothie shampoo and conditioner set. It's dandruff defense, so I don't suffer from dandruff. I'm probably not going to use these. These also have silicones in them, so I know I'm not going to use them. And these were sent to me by Yanni Best. I do like their satin bonnets and their satin scrunchies and things like that, but they sent me their shampoo and conditioner as well, and I am not going to use these. They have not been used. They're still brand new. So if you're interested in trying out Yanni Best, then they will be on the Mercari site as well. And if you have issues with dandruff and stuff like that, you might give these a try and then come back and let us know, you know, how they are, how you feel about them and things like that. So if anybody else may be interested, you know, they can pick them up as well, especially if you already use Yanni Best satin and silk hair products. They sell, like I said, bonnets. I think they sell pillowcases as well. They sell scrunchies, because I have a couple of the scrunchies and I have the bonnet, and they're nice, but I'm not going to use these products. Another set that I'm going to be decluttering from my stash to make room for something else is the Dad Unbreakable Bonds set. This is also the shampoo and conditioner, and it's for all curl types. It looks like this. These came free to me as a free gift when I ordered some other things from Dad, and I'm not into bond builders and things like that, so I'm not going to use these. I'm just not interested. So I will be putting these on Mercari as well. So if you're interested in Dad, if you love Dad and you're interested in their bond system or whatever, then you might be, you know, you may want to make note of this and be ready to grab these. So yeah, again, I'm not into the whole bond thing. I think it's a trend just like everything else. Do I think hair bonds can be broken? Yes, with heat and color damage, you know, all the things. I think that it is a thing as bond damage, but when I say I think it's a trend, I think all the brands jumping on it is a trend. Just like the rice water trend, just like, you know, the you know what I'm saying? It's like you never heard of bond builders until one brand came out with it, and then people liked it, and now everybody is doing it. And I don't color my hair. I don't straighten my hair a lot with heat. I don't do a whole lot of things that people do to break their bonds and stuff like that. So until I do or feel like I need it, I'm not getting on that train. So yeah, these will be on there, getting rid of those. Another set that I'm getting rid of that I was actually interested in at one point and picked these products up, and they've been sitting, and so I want to go ahead and get rid of these as well. Maybe somebody can use them. And that is the Mixed Chicks Co-Wash and Leave-In. So when I saw that they got a co-wash, I was like, oh, okay, I like co-washes. Let me give it a try and everything. So I picked this up, and then I had heard a lot about the leave-in, how good it's supposed to be and all that kind of stuff. And I was like, I've never tried this, but Mixed Chicks was talked about a lot back in the day. I don't hear people talking about it as much. So I picked this up saying I want to try it and never did get around to it. So I want to go ahead and get rid of these while they're still good and somebody can use them. I know the leave-in has silicones in it. I'm not sure if the co-wash does or not, but I'm just not interested in them anymore. I definitely don't want to use this with a silicone when I'm not that interested. You see what I'm saying? I am not totally against silicones. I feel like my hair works just as good without them. I prefer not to use them. It's just a personal preference. However, I have tried products with silicones in them before, but they're products that either you guys have requested, which nobody has requested this, or they're products that I think, okay, I'm kind of interested in. I just, I like the brand, or I like the other ingredients that's in it. I just want to see how it works or something like that. But this, nobody's really asked. I'm really not that interested anymore. So I'm not going to put silicones in my hair just to try these out for y'all. And y'all probably not even interested in Mixed Chicks anymore, because I don't hear a lot of people talking about them, and I don't hear any of you in my comments asking about them. So yeah, I'll get rid of those. This other brand is a small owned brand. I talked about it just recently in the empties. They sent me these products, wanted me to try them out, and I tried out the deep conditioner and didn't care for it. They also sent me the leave-in, a scalp serum, and then a botanical stimulant. So it's a scalp oil. And you guys again know that I'm not real big into oils. I don't oil my scalp like that. I don't have scalp issues, so I'm not looking to do a whole lot with scalp products. And then because the deep conditioner didn't work, and it has Ayurveda in it, I'm just assuming that the leave-in wouldn't either. I don't want to give it a try. I would prefer one of you give it a try, or someone else who know that they have scalp issues, who have low porosity hair. These products, I think this leave-in is geared for low porosity hair. It says it on the thing. So maybe you can try it and like it, and again, come back, let us know, and leave a comment, favorable comment on their Instagram or something like that to help out this black owned brand. So the brand is Crown Hair Care, which I talked about before. So they gave me the leave-in, a scalp oil, and a scalp serum. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these, and yeah, they'll be on the site. So if you're interested, you can pick these up. And I do want to say, guys, if it's one of you who gets these and you like them, please go over to their Instagram, give a favorable review, let them know how much you like them so their brand can grow. Just because they didn't work for me don't mean that they're not good. And I said that before when I used the deep conditioner. It just means that my hair and what I'm looking for is not this, but it doesn't mean that they're not good. So I don't want to do any more reviews on it, because I just don't want to give an unfavorable review when I know that it may not necessarily be the product. It's just my hair is sensitive to a whole lot of oils, and it's real funny with Ayurveda. That's just the nature of me and my hair. So yeah, so I'll be getting rid of that set. And I'm doing it as a set. And then last but not least, for hair products for this go around is the Suave with the natural shea butter and pure coconut oil. This is the Shine and the Define and Shine Serum Gel. I talked about this before on my channel as well. When I picked it up, I said I picked it up. I was just interested in it. I can't remember. I think I may have gotten it from Sally's or something. I don't even remember where I got it from. But I was like, Shine and Define Serum Gel. Oh, that might be interesting. And it said this is for natural hair. So that's what got me. But then when you keep reading, it says it's good for wavy hair and curly hair, not necessarily coily hair. And I just feel like with it being a serum, it's not going to give me the hold that I'm looking for, but it may give someone else the hold or the shine that they want. And because it has, you know, some oils and stuff in it, I'm kind of just not that interested anymore. At first when I saw it, I was like, okay, let me get this. And then I was like, why did I get this? You know what I mean? You know what happens when you just in the buying mood. You know, you're picking up some stuff anyway, and then everything you see is like, oh, that might work. Oh, let me try that. Oh, let me I'm not going to do nothing with this. It's been sitting on my shelf taking up space. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this too. If you think you would like it, make sure you pick it up. If you have finer hair, if you have wavy hair, if you have curly hair, and something like this would define your hair and give it the shine you want, hey, let us know. Okay, guys, so that is it for my hair products that I am decluttering. This time, I'm going to try to do more decluttering videos, you know, maybe once a year or something like that, just to get rid of stuff that I know I'm probably not going to use or is getting old and I want it to be used before I have to throw it away. So I'd rather just, you know, go ahead and sell it if I'm not going to use it, and hopefully recoup a little bit of the money that I spent purchasing these items. So there you go. All right, guys, let me know if you like these type of videos and you want to keep doing them. Let me know some other ideas of things you would like to see me declutter. Leave it in the comments section below. And again, like I said, if you are watching this video, you want to go ahead down into the description box, hit my Mercari link. It'll get you right over to my page where you can purchase your items. Okay. Alrighty. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.